last bit of home. Okay. Super weird. I won't be home for at least 3 months. And I think it'll probably be longer than that. And I don't know where I'll be flying in from when I come back. Oh, business class is this way. Okay. Okay. I got upgraded. Thanks, Air Canada. Hi there. Is this for business class?
Yeah, you'd have to go at the other door.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Oh, we are turning back around.
Yeah.
Damn. Hi there.
Your seat number, sir?
4G.
4G. Cross over to your right.
Thank you. Oh, that's me. Well, there we go. 4G. We made it. Now for a 12-hour flight. Well, 12 hours later, and we made it.
Thank you. Take care.
You too. Holy shit, it's humid. So, time to go get my bag and find my dad and get to Seoul. We're in Incheon right now. So let's see where this takes us. I don't know what that means, but oh my god, this is weird. Baggage claim 20. Okay. Okay. We made it through immigration, obviously, but gonna go to carousel 20 over there. See it. Pick up my bag. Get the fuck out of here. Man, I'm tired. I haven't slept since it's 5:30 local time. So at home it's probably 1:30 a.m. So I have not, but I should be sleeping. But fuck it. Man, that sounds like cringe when you say it out loud, but I thought it'd work.
I put my heart where it don't belong. So if you're coming with me, let me know. Maybe you're the last train. Maybe you're the last train home. I'm on the last train running. I'm on the last train running. And I surrender. And I surrender.
Just landed back in Seoul Gimpo Airport. Gimpo? And met this chiller on the plane. He's actually gonna give us a ride and drop us off about halfway, which is nice. But yeah, his name is Han, and telling me about some of the places on the plane. And yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, Yoido subway station right now. Man, I still look like I just woke up. We are going to head back to Dongdaemun, I think. Maybe grab some food first or check out the area. But yeah, I'm wiped. So currently just trying to figure out which way to go to catch the subway, get back to the place. Yeah, I sent help. There, we made it onto the subway. Wow, my hair's a mess. Okay. Don't know if I talked about the room that I was supposed to stay at, but that was fucking tiny. So, yeah, I'm gonna be staying somewhere else. I got the refund back, which is minus the deposit, which is pretty nice. Now I'm just checking out Yonsei. I'm checking out like what the commute would be from where I'm staying to where I need to be tomorrow and the days thereafter for the next 10 weeks. I think this is where our orientations and such take place. So I'm gonna go scope it out. Then I'm gonna go grab some supplies, a Daiso, a notebook, some highlighters and a pen maybe, and then check out maybe Hongdae. Go look at the climbing gym. Apparently it's the largest one in Asia, so I want to check it out. I really want to climb while I'm here, so we'll see. Okay, so I'm in Hongdae right now. Just checking out the climbing gyms. I just charged my phone, so I got some juice now. There's two of these gyms right next to each other, like a 10-minute walk away. So I'm gonna check out the other one. It's called The Climb. One's in Hongdae, one's Yeonnam, I think. That's how it's called. So I'm going to check that out. Grab some school shit at Daiso, and then head back to Dongdaemun. Eat some food or something like that, and then probably call it a night. I have to head to my placement test tomorrow. I'm probably not gonna go far, but maybe they'll put me in like an accelerated beginner class or something. So yeah, we'll see. There's a Shake Shack here. How is there a Shake Shack in Seoul but none in Canada? Like, come on, like look at this. Shake Shack? You're kidding me. Like, why? I gotta eat this later. I fucking miss Shake Shack. So I can't believe it, but I happened upon some I'm just so clumsy right now. I happened upon some delicious Shake Shack. I don't know if you can see Shake Shack. Man, how does Korea have Shake Shack but Canada doesn't? I mean, I have this all the time when I'm in America, when I was there. But like, how does, man, this is so good too. It tastes like actual Shake Shack. But wow, this is great. Just checking out the campus, exploring, checked out the gym and the library over here, but we don't have our ID cards, so come back. Right, so I was walking back to the place and holy shit. Okay, well I saw the palace and then I just saw the mountains in the back. I don't know if you can see it right there. And I think that might be Bukan-san. I don't know, but there's a mountain, a little park nearby that I want to hike. So it's probably that one. But anyways, I'm gonna go check out this little shrine temple thing and then probably just keep walking back, exploring, and slowly make my way back home for now. So just came up to the temple shrine thing. I don't even know what it's called. But there's timed entries, I think. You have to buy tickets, which is understandable. I don't really feel like doing that right now, so probably come back with friends later or some other time when I have more energy. Let's see. Oh, it's only 1,000 won. It's like $1. But yeah, I'm not really feeling like waiting, so I'll come back some other time. It's pretty cool though. It's pretty nice. I think I might have been here before, to be honest, when I was younger, but I forget, so I'll come back. This is cool. I was just walking around and there's a bunch of older gentlemen playing checkers or backgammon. I don't know exactly, but it's pretty cool. Okay, so this is the Gwangjang Market, I think. I actually just heard about this not too long ago. I forget who mentioned it to me, but someone said come check it out. So yeah, it's, I don't really know what this is, to be honest. I think it's just like a goods market. It's pretty cool though. Let's go check it out. Let's keep checking it out. Okay, yeah, it definitely looks to be some sort of garment district or garment area, because everything here is like clothes, cotton, string, anything like that. So yeah, maybe I'll find a hat here. I'm still trying to find a stupid hat. Stuck at a crossroads in the middle. Again, just like I was in the market on Jeju. But I need to go that way, so I probably will just keep going up. Yeah, I'm gonna keep going this way. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm now realizing that it's not a garment district. I think that first section was. This next section looks to be more like food. Kind of like the one in Jeju I was at. Not yesterday, 2 days ago. But I still need to keep going this way, so I'm gonna keep going. I don't need any food right now, or anything. If I was like moving here, it'd be sick, you know, pick up some pots and pans, stuff like that. But it's all just like junk here, you know? Like, I don't know who's buying all this shit. There's so much shit here. But it's kind of cool. I'm quite overstimulated, but it's cool. Currently at a shooting range. Don't worry, these are not real bullets, just BBs. But yeah, it's target practice. Just did sniper one over there, so let's see, probably gonna be this one, this one, this one, read it, this one. That's so fun. What's this area called again? Daehangno. We're out here in Daehangno. Daehangno. Shot some guns. Had some ice cream. Exploring now. A little cafe. Is it called Cafe Nagwanjang X Seoul?
그래서 LIEREL 그 넘는다, reading입니다.
Reading. It meant Lie means reading in French. We were here last time we were here, like 7-8 years ago. Right? Yeah, I guess it is Swiss. But yeah, we were here a long time ago. Same as the barbecue place, so it's pretty nostalgic. Would you look at that? Taste of home tomorrow. Grand opening.